Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling an ambient air temp sensor in a 2008 Cadillac CTS 4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take these pins out. You're going to untwist them. And once they're untwisted, you can pull them up. Just like that. Sometimes they don't untwist too well, so you gotta like pry up underneath it. You can use your fingernail or like a straight head screwdriver. I'm gonna pull this panel up, put it aside, and then I can pull this weather strip towards the center of the vehicle to take it off. We'll do the same with this side. Pull up here, pull up there. There's a fastener right there, and a clip on the back side. I can take the weather strip towards the center, and this piece will come right off. I'm going to pull these little clips out with a trim tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. Let's get in underneath there. There should be another one there, but it's missing on this vehicle. Right here. Right there. I'm going to use a 10mm socket and ratchet to take these two 10mm bolts out. Okay, good. We're going to pull this push clip off. We're going to use a clip trim tool. And then there's one right here we need to pull off. Pull that off. This is just a rubber shield that's attached to the bumper. We're going to leave it attached to the car on this side. Then over here we'll do the same on the other side. This one's actually ripped right here, so we don't have to do that. And then this piece over here is already out. So we're all set on this side. We're going to take these plastic push clips out. Use our trim tool again. Pull it out, and we'll pull this one out. These other ones we can leave in. Those just hold this front skirt on. Pull that off. Pull this one out too. So we're going to disconnect the fog light. There's a little clip on the back side and then a clip on the front side. If you do them somewhat together, you can pull it down. Pull the back side clip off first. And you can pull on the front side. See? Two clips. Just pull them out. We're going to do the same for this side. Disconnect the fog light. There's this air ducting here. I'm going to pull that off. Looks like it's missing from the other side. This is there to force cool air onto the brakes while you're driving. This vehicle has headlight washers, so it sprays washer fluid on the headlights. So we're going to disconnect that. We're going to use some needle nose pliers and then pry this clip off. Just move it to the side a little bit. There. We're going to take a right angle pick, get in there without stabbing yourself. And go all the way around to loosen up the hose. Like that. We can twist it off. Just going to work the hose back and forth. And it'll eventually come out. All right, when I pull this off, fluid's going to come out, so I just have this random bolt that's about the same size, so I'm going to plug the hole with that. Just like that, and that'll keep the fluid in there, most of the fluid in there. I'm going to use my clip tool. Whoops, pull these push clips off. Use our trim tool. If I pull this one out, I'll have a little more play with this. The 10mm bolt right there we're going to take out. That out. And that process would be the same for the other side. And then you can pull this off. Pull this out over here. Grab and pull it straight forward. We're going to take our ambient air temp sensor off. We're going to use a clip tool, get in behind here, and pry gently out. Then we can disconnect the electrical connector, like that. There it is. To install, we're going to reattach the electrical connector until it clips in. Then we're going to press the retainer back in the hole. That's good. We're going to reinstall the bumper. Make sure that lines up over there. Line this up over here. Line that side up. And that. We can take these two 10mm bolts, put these in. We can snug these down. We're gonna install this 10mm bolt on the passenger side. When we're doing this, you're gonna wanna make sure the body lines up with the bumper. And then snug that down. Procedure will be the same for the driver's side. Connect the fog light connector, line it up, and then push so it locks in place. Same on the passenger side. All right, next we're gonna reconnect our headlight washer hoses. Most of our fluid leaked out, but if you did this in a timely manner, you would have fluid coming out of there. Then we're gonna move this clamp with some needle nose pliers back to its original location, right there. And that goes just like that. I'm gonna reinstall this shield. Push that push pin through up top, and push this one in down here, just like so. Same for the driver's side. Next, we're going to install this brake cooling snorkel on the passenger side. Our driver's side is missing, so put a push pin right there, right there, right here. Push pin there, one right here. And then one right here. All right, we're gonna reinstall this liner. You're gonna go up under here, and then to put the snorkel on, it's just gonna click through like that. And we're gonna put our push clips through there. Install these push clips right here. Right here, and one right there. We're gonna put our push clips in up top here. Oops. Now we're gonna reinstall this shield. We're going to push this weather stripping on. Over like that. And same with the other side. Just like that. Now we're going to use these clips, reinstall these retainers. I'm going to reinstall this cover right here, get that lined up. There's a little tab right there that lines up with. Lock that down. I'm going to reinstall this right here. Make sure you go under the weather strip over here and then press down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.